So I've kind of been into, I haven't actually done it, but I'm mentally taking steps towards becoming more organized. And part of that is starting small. So, anyways, this tote insert is something that gets a lot of love on the internet. So people kind of rave about this thing, and I hadn't seen it, and I was like, I kind of want to see it. One of my things is there's not enough consideration given to women who carry laptops into work. And I legit remember reading something, it was like a recently written article, like in 2018, that said something about like, well, women don't typically carry laptops into work. And I was thinking, are you joking? Are we like somehow exempt from carrying laptops? Anyways, so long story short, I saw this thing. It had a laptop sleeve, and I was like, I want to see it. And they had, I think they had a really good, like Black Friday sale. So I was like, it was meant to be. It was actually pretty decent this Black Friday. I think that sum total of what I bought was 2 for me, 1 for husband. So that's pretty good. Actually, that's not true. 3 for me, 1 for husband. Anyway, so check it out. This company, I've never purchased anything from them before. Wrapped really cute, sort of like a purple with gold spots. Let's put this to the side. It's really big. Tote savvy. It's wrapped pretty cute. Like, I'm kind of impressed. Oh, look at this. And I owe you guys a Totes inserts comparison because I actually have 3. And one I did an unboxing on like 1,000 years ago, and then I think I somehow deleted it, and then I got annoyed that I deleted it, so I didn't end up like I never did the review on it. But now I have 3 Tote inserts to compare for you, so I should do a full review. So in the interim, let's get into the one that's in front of me. So they have this little, it's wrapped really well. So they have this little thing, and I like it. I might do some stills or something at the end, just so you can see kind of all the features. It shows you, like, you could do laptop, notebook, I guess, and then a drink, and then miscellaneous, and then it kind of shows you, here's the insulated pocket for food. I'm not very good at reading upside down. Rose gold keychain, plush lined laptop sleeve, and then this is just it kind of all decked out. Okay, so, dun, dun, dun. Oh, not very exciting. Let's try that again. Ah, there's a magnet there, that's why. Okay, so this is obviously the laptop sleeve. One of the primary reasons I bought this Tote insert. And look at this. Wha-pow, or whatever. Wha-bam. Here's for your water bottle. I'm like really excited. Oh, this is my insulated pouch for lunch. And I have another funny article for you guys about, it goes on to say like, what do women want? It's like, they want a freaking thing that holds their lunch in their tote. And so I thought that was hilarious. Sorry guys, I'm really tired, so I'm talking all crazy. This Tote Savvy was actually born for the sole purpose of women not having to carry, well, it's kind of the equivalent of like you go from sexy car to like minivan, and then you go from like sexy bag to like diaper bag that like is functional but doesn't look good. And this was meant to sort of keep that away, so you could still have all the organization of a diaper bag. And my long story is that's what this is for. This is a mat, obviously to change your child on, but I might find some alternate use for that. You guys know I think of weird stuff. And then there's just miscellaneous pocket, miscellaneous pocket, miscellaneous pocket. Let me think. Is there anything else I want to show you? And then the outside here, a giant miscellaneous pocket and 2 more here. And then here's that rose gold key fob. Probably I will never use this, is my suspicion. Because you guys know I have that key hook, and this seems kind of at first blush like a little bit of an awkward position. But that's fine, because obviously there's plenty of other places for me to put my keys. This is the deluxe version, and I want to say, I haven't done all my homework, but I think the primary difference between the deluxe and the other one is the laptop sleeve, and I want to say, I think this is like slightly bigger. But by the time I do the full review, I will know all that for you. There's like, this is the deluxe, there's the regular Tote Savvy, and there's a mini Tote Savvy. But anyways, super excited about this little thing. Gonna pack it out tonight, and I will report back. Thanks for watching.